In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Evernote. Knowing how to properly sign out is important, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you simply want to keep your notes secure when you're not actively working. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. First, open your web browser and go to the Evernote website. You can do this by typing the Evernote address into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing Enter. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can see your notes and the main Evernote interface. If you're already logged in, you should see your notebooks, notes, or whatever you were last working on. Once you're in your Evernote workspace, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile area. This usually shows your profile name, and it might also include your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. This area is the main hub for account-related actions, including signing out. Go ahead and click on your profile name in that lower left corner. When you click it, a small menu or panel will appear. This menu contains several options related to your account, such as settings, account information, and the sign out option. Take a moment to look at these choices so you become familiar with where everything is. In that menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's usually clearly visible, often near the bottom of that list. Once you find it, click on Sign Out. After you click, Evernote will log you out of your account in that browser. The page may refresh, and you should see a sign-in screen or a landing page indicating that you're no longer logged in. If you're using a shared computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or window after signing out, just to add an extra layer of privacy. And if you use Evernote on multiple devices, remember that signing out on the web only affects that particular browser session. That's all you need to do to sign out of Evernote. Open the site. Click your profile name in the lower left corner and choose Sign Out. With these simple steps, you can make sure your notes stay secure whenever you step away.